Hey guys, welcome you all. Hope people are doing good. As we always try to give you the details about the latest issue of online portals. So today we are back to give you review on portinshop.com. So if you are curious to know about, as people from United States are very curious to know about the authenticity of this portal. So let's check out the details. What is this? How they are working? Like, it is an online shopping destination for all your kitchen, sports and bathroom needs. The images and prices of these products over the site looks promising and attracting plenty of customer. Over potandshop.com you would find only top rated quality products thoroughly checked and shipped after the purchase, so you can visit this portal, but before shopping you must check out the legitimacy of the store. It is https secured website and the product they are selling are items that are related to your kitchen needs and bathroom essentials. On their official portal they have mentioned the email address and contact number, but official address is not found unfortunately. The positive point of Cotton Shop are you can find the widest range of items at the attractive price range and contact via email if you need any kind of support. The website accepts payment through multiple payment gateway. This shop offers hassle-free 30 days return. The negative point of shopping from Cotton Shop are apart from contact and email details, the official address is not mentioned on the portal, and the contact and email address is also not genuine. No social media presence, no customer review available. The website is only 1 month and 2 days old. So, as we are moving ahead in this review, unfortunately, we were unable to find any customer review, although there are plenty of e-commerce web portal with customer testimonial on their web portal, but potandshop.com did not bother to have a section for customer testimonial. So in our final conclusion for Potandshop, we could not recommend this shopping destination as it is merely a scam and nothing over the site seems genuine. From content, images and contact information to the policies, nothing is fair and transparent. So we are not recommending you to shop from this store, and if you have a personal experience of shopping from Potandshop, please do share your personal experience with us. We love to hear from you regarding your online shopping on potandshop.com.